Hello and welcome. This is my Citreon Berlingo and I'll be replacing the side loading door handles. Right, so first thing to do is we need us tools. So what I've got a trim removing tool, so it gets rid of the little like pins that are going to the side trim. Got that, and I've got a Phillips screwdriver, which is a cross thread, one of them, and that's to do other part trim. And we also need some star tools, which I got from B&Q, which were about £10 or £8 or something like that. So yeah, I've got them. And that's all we need for the job, just to do replace the side door handles. Right, so I've pulled into a quiet car park to do the door handles. I'll show you what I bought off eBay. I'll put a link in the video to show where I got them from. They were only cost me about £16 for 2 door handles, so I think it's a really good deal. Let's have a look. So these are the new door handles. I think what it was on mine, I think this mechanism broke. So what is it? I've got brand new ones now. I'm going to leave them black even though the other ones are silver. So yeah, let's get them fixed. Let's get them put on van, see if we can do it. Right, so I've got this tool and I'm going to remove the pins out of the door trim. So this is what I bought. I mean, there's a few other pieces. I'll show you other pieces in pack. So you get some like dust cap things there, and you get some other trim tools like that, and that one there for different jobs of removing trim. I've got a few more pieces here, some more trim tools. That one there, quite robust and all, quite robust material, so you're not going to snap them, definitely not. There's another tool in there. Yeah, so I'll start removing them pins out of door trim, and I'll show you how to do it step by step. So this is the first door trim here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this tool in before. I've had this one out before, so it should come out quite easy. So you get the tool. I broke that one, but oh no, I haven't broke it. So these are the little clips. So that one's still intact. I broke another two down there because I had the door off before, and I realised that I needed other bits to do it. So other parts I needed, so I needed like new door handles. So this is the next one. So I'll just do that one there. So that's the next one, and we'll get that one down here. There we go. Got that one. So I've took one pin out. I've took another one out. Took another one out. I've got one at the bottom there to do. Down there, and I've took that one out. That one out. So you need to take them all out really, which is quite easy to do if you've got one of them tools. This piece of trim comes off, and you'll find underneath 2 screws which require a start Allen key. Right, so here we go. So it's these two that need to be unclipped here. So what you do is just do that and pull that out there, and then this one here, pull that out there and slide it down, and then it'll just come out there. So that's 2 of them there. So just remember where they go. So that's the smallest one. That's that one. So what I'm looking at, it's mainly these 2, the mechanism of the door handle, to make the door handle move. So we need to take this one out. So let me get just a flathead screwdriver to get this out. I've just knocked camera. So a flathead screwdriver to get this one out here. see, it's actually come out itself there. That's all right. So we've done that. Right. So we now have 2 bolts there, which I'm going to undo with a star tool. It's like a little Allen key. These star tools, little Allen key. See which one it is first. So I think I've got the right one of her. Is it right size? That's not right size. Might be one smaller. So is it that one? It looks like that one. So what I need to do is take these off here. Get these ones here. That one's off there. Sorry, keep knocking the camera. So these come out here. They're right, alright. Just make sure you don't lose them down back at the door. Nearly did then. So I keep that in my pocket so I know where it is. And then it's this one here. This one. See if I can get it to turn there. Is it that one? Right, and then we'll use that side because it's easier. A bit more. Quite easy to do. I'm hoping after all this it'll work. Right, so we've got that. So that's that done now. Right, so I've got to go outside and do the door handle. Right, so this door handle should slide out here now. But we've still got them connected there, so it's like that there is that bit there. Right, hold on. So that's one out there. That's second bar out there. And then that door handle should just come off there, sorted. So what we need to do is get that bit in first. That bit in first there. Then it needs to slide. So we need to slide it onto there. So I'll slide onto there. There we go. So that one's in. There. So I found out with trial and error, you should connect the metal rods first before you put the handle back in, and then you add the bolts in after that with the star tool, and it should fit perfectly. Right, so always remember where your bars went, because I got confused. I put that one on the top one, which it don't, it goes to the bottom one. So that middle one there goes to the bottom one on your door handle, and then this one goes to your top one. And it should have took me about 5 minutes to fix it. It's such an easy fix, you can do it yourself. It's easy to do for DIY. I mean, I've seen it on YouTube before, but they were like in foreign language, the videos what I followed. But I had a good idea when I got all this off. So yeah, just remember this one to the bottom with serrated edge there, and then that one goes to the middle, and this one goes up here to the top in there. And that's it, working perfect. So I've just done the second one. That's only took me 5 minutes, and it works fine. I'm just clipping on a bit more there, but it works fine. I'll show you. Hold on, is it locked? Oh. There we go, got it. So that's that one, and then I'll just do that, and it's fixed. And then other one, and I go around, and then that one's fixed. There we go, sorted. Looks alright with black handles, it don't look too bad. Saved me a lot of money in garage.